In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to hide desktop items without deleting them on Windows. Let's get started. First, go to your Windows desktop and find the file, folder or shortcut that you want to hide. Once you have found it, right-click on it, select the option Properties. Now navigate to the tab General. Now look for Attributes section at the bottom. You'll see an option called Hidden. Check the box next to it, then click Apply and press OK. At this point, the item is marked as hidden, but it might still appear on your desktop depending on your settings. To fully hide it, open File Explorer on your PC. Now click on this drop-down for View. Then go to Show and make sure Hidden Items is turned off. Once you do that, go back to your desktop and the file or folder you selected will no longer be visible. Now, if you want to hide all desktop icons at once, simply right-click on an empty space on your desktop, select View, and then uncheck Show Desktop Icons. Instantly, all the desktop icons will disappear, giving you a completely clean desktop view. Don't worry, none of your files are deleted, they are just hidden from view, so you can bring them back anytime by reversing the same steps. That's it. This is how you can easily hide desktop items on a Windows PC without deleting them. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.